Kami po kasi ay nangangamba kasi meron pong mga usap-usapan na yung dati pong senador na si Antonio Trillanes ay nagpunta daw po sa The Hague. Siya po ay nagpunta mismo sa kulungan ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Hindi po kailanman na meron pong pupunta na tao na hindi mo gustong makita. Siya po ay meron ng tinatawag nating early signs of dementia. Kaya sana lang po malinawan po namin to.
I was tasked by my fellow minority senators since last week during our last session, if my memory serves me right, last Wednesday, we discussed the twin resolutions. The resolution filed by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano and the other resolution filed by three senators, Senators De La Rosa, Padilla, and Bongo, regarding the sense of the Senate with regard to the house arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte. And we agreed during the last week's hearing that it will be discussed during the All Senators Caucus, which happened yesterday. May I know the status of the twin resolutions, Mr. President?
Gusto ko lamang pong sundan yung kahilingan po ng ating mahal na kapatid at Senador Jinggoy Estrada patungkol po sa kahilingan namin, sa resolution po namin patungkol po kay dating Pangulo Rodrigo Roa Duterte. At gusto ko lamang din pong kunin po ang atensyon ng ating mga kasama na kami po kasi ay nangangamba kasi meron pong mga usap-usapan na yung dati pong senador na si Antonio Trillanes ay nagpunta daw po sa The Hague at ang pinaniniwalaan po ng karamihan ay siya po ay nagpunta mismo sa kulungan ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Nais lang po sana namin itong malinawan dahil matagal po akong nakulong sa Bilibid. Hindi po kailanman na meron pong pupunta na tao na hindi mo gustong makita. Yun po, tatanungin ka muna ng gwardiya kung gusto mo bang makita itong taong ito. Yun lamang po, gusto lamang po naming malinawan kasi meron na pong matinding sakit si Tatay Digong. Sa kasalukuyan po, siya po ay meron ng tinatawag nating early signs of dementia. Kaya sana lang po malinawan po namin to.
With the information, for the information of the body, we did have an all-member caucus, but the minority was not there. Only Senator Padilla was there.
Padilla.
But it's not their fault, Mr. President. Dumating po si Vice President Sara Duterte, so they were of course accommodating and hosting Madam Vice President sa office nila. But so the status was we were not able to discuss it lengthily and fully because of we didn't have the sponsors of these measures in the all-members caucus yesterday. Pero nandito po tayo. For the record, nandito po tayo naghihintay sa lounge. So if the good gentleman would want, maybe after this we can suspend after the three resolutions and discuss it.
Yeah. We are more than willing to discuss it, Mr. President.
Okay. So yun na lang po, Mr. President. We can discuss it later on after the business of the day.
Yes, if the body so desires, we can conduct a caucus after the business at hand.